Hello friends, welcome back to BitSize Japanese, where we learn one JLPT grammar pattern with 3 examples to master it. In today's BitSize Japanese, we're going to talk about the JLPT N3 grammar point, o and go, which are the honorific forms. Usually the o, we use it with adjectives, non-adjectives, or nouns, and go plus non-adjectives or a noun. The o, we usually attach it to native Japanese words, while the go is attached to more Chinese formal settings. Okay, so now let's take a look at our first example's keywords. The first word is go kazoku. Go kazoku. Kazoku is family, and go kazoku is basically honorific form of your family. Go kazoku. Next one is ogenki. In good health, well. Ogenki. Good health, well. The next one is sensei. Sensei is teacher. Sensei. Sensei. The next one is minasan. Minasan is everyone. Minasan. Okay, one more time. Go kazoku, ogenki, sensei, minasan. Now let's take a look at the actual sentence. Sensei, go kazoku no minasan wa o genki desu ka? So that is our sentence. Now let's do the same thing with hiragana. Sensei, go kazoku no minasan wa o genki desu ka? So that's hiragana. So it basically means, teacher, is your family well? So sensei is teacher, go kazoku, so your family, no minasan wa everyone, o genki desu ka? Well. So one more time. Sensei, go kazoku no minasan wa o genki desu ka? So basically we added go to kazoku because kazoku is a Sino-Japanese word. It's more formal. So we added go, and o genki desu ka is more Japanese origin, genki desu. So we added o to make it more formal or more honorific. Okay, sensei, go kazoku no minasan wa o genki desu ka? So that's our first example. Our next example's keywords are, the first one is otaku. Your home, household. Taku is home. So we added o because taku is more Japanese origin word. Otaku. Next one is oisungashi. Oisungashi. Isungashi is busy. We added o to make it more honorific. Oisungashi. Next one is Tanaka-san. Mr. or Mrs. Tanaka. Tanaka-san. Let's take a look at the actual example. Tanaka-san, お宅の皆さんはいつも忙しそうですね。One more time with hiragana. 田中さん、お宅の皆さんはいつも忙しそうですね。So it basically means, Mr. and Mrs. Tanaka, your household always seems busy, doesn't it? So Tanaka-san is Tanaka, Mr. Mrs. Tanaka. お宅の, so your home, の皆さん, so everyone in your home, your household basically, はいつも always, お忙し is busy, honorific form of busy, お忙しそうですね. So it seems like your family is always busy, doesn't it? One more time. 田中さん、お宅の皆さんはいつも忙しそうですね. So that's our second example. Now let's take a look at our third example's keywords. The first one is ご自由に. ご自由に. So basically means freely as you like, a polite form of saying go as you like. ご自由に. The next one is お使いください. お使いください. So please use, honorific form of requesting. So お使いください. The next one is 部屋. 部屋 means room. 部屋. One more time. ご自由にお使いください and 部屋. Okay, now let's take a look at the actual sentence. この部屋にあるものはどうぞご自由にお使いください. Now with hiragana one more time. この部屋にはあるものはどうぞご自由にお使いください. Basically means please feel free to use anything in this room. So この部屋には, so この部屋 is this room, room, に at this room, あるものは, so あるもの is existing things, okay? So the existing things at this room or in this room, この部屋にあるものはどうぞ please ご自由に, so freely ご自由にお使いください. Use it freely. So please use anything in this room freely. この部屋にあるものはどうぞご自由にお使いください。So that's our third example. Hope you learned a lot in today's BitSize Japanese. See you in the next one. If you like this content, please subscribe and check out other similar videos.